Hi everybody, welcome back to Minnie and Me. I'm Jenna and this is Cambry.
Hi.
And today
we're going to talk about cats. Just kidding.
No, we're just kidding.
Bye.
We're going to talk about, so last week, let's go back. Last week we talked about the Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette, which was awesome, and we went through all the colors. And since then I've been using it regularly on a daily basis and I love it. So today we're going to show you a few more things from the Shane Dawson collection and we hope you like them. So,
and on the other videos I'm going to do the makeup tutorials with the palettes and the lipsticks.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah, so stay tuned for that. Mm-hmm.
Yay! And I hope we get lots of subscribers.
Yes.
And also comment down below. Sorry, let's see. Comment down below of which palette you like the most.
Yes.
Of which one? This one or this one?
Conspiracy palette, or this one is called the Mini Controversy.
Controversy.
First of all, okay, so take a look.
I just like these dogs so much.
It's really cool looking. The packaging is on point.
So now we're gonna open this palette.
See. Ooh! Packaging is so pretty.
It's really shiny.
Yeah.
And now let's open it. Dun, dun. It has some of the colors from the last time, but different names.
They're similar, but they're not the same. They're not exactly the same. So we'll show you. But there are 9 different ones.
Let me get the towel.
You can see. And they're really pretty. So we'll show you a few of these on our skin so you can see what it looks like.
And then we're going to show lipsticks and glosses.
Alright.
And let's move this conspiracy over here. And I got the towel, so I don't forget. So I'm gonna do. So
Cambry will start.
I'm probably gonna do flat earth.
Flat Earth.
Like a really light white, I think. Ooh,
It's kind of like a
blue.
lilac.
Yeah, like a blue, I think.
Very
It's nice.
pale,
It's
purple, almost gray,
whitish.
white.
Blue. Here it is. It is so light. I don't think you can see it out. There it is.
It's very pretty.
So, there it is.
So this one I'm going to try is My Apology. Matches my nail color.
Yeah, it does. Kind of.
Goes on really smoothly. Put a little bit more
Like
so you
every
can
single
see.
palette.
Yeah, these palettes are awesome. So there's that. This is pretty. It's good with white too.
I'm gonna try the solution. This one.
Simulation. The simulation. Very royal blue. Really
Ooh,
pretty.
I love blue. That is so dark. This is one of my leotard colors.
There you go.
Still is dark.
Very pretty.
All
Right. Exposed. This is like
this is a really tiny palette, so it's gonna be really fast, which is good.
Yeah, this one, and I mean, it'll travel easily. You can stick it in your purse. Hard to tell. Really hard to tell. It's like a pale pink.
Now
It's pretty.
I think I'm gonna try.
This one too, I'll go ahead and do it because I'm right here. Cry on My Couch. This is also a nude color for an everyday. Hard to tell, but that's pretty.
I'm gonna do my boyfriend's purse.
Mm-hmm.
My boyfriend's purse. I don't know why it's called that. I'm breaking it. It's so pale.
Yes. These are very neutral. Well, some of them. That you can wear every day.
Here it is. I don't think you can see it in the lighting. In camera. Okay.
Controversy. Have we done this?
No.
Controversy. Purple. Ooh. I like that. a pretty purple. Oh, sorry. Wow, I didn't do that right. This one right here.
If you hear her brother crying, because he's a baby.
Yes, if you hear crying, sorry. That's
Fine.
his little baby brother.
Little baby.
He's trying to take a nap.
Diary beer. This is the same one as and these two were the same ones from the last video. These two. I'm gonna try root beer, and we have this one left.
Okay, I'll do canceled.
We don't
Or-
have to do cancer.
Okay.
Because that's blue. I'm taking all the blue and white ones. I don't know why. Okay, here it is. It's kind of similar to the other one, but it's lighter.
I'll do the. Look, I know we're like color coordinated right now.
Color coordinated.
So this one's a brown. So look, like all of those, all those 5 look really well together.
Here's
And
mine.
hers look well together too, so you can blend them. So those are,
You can blend them together even.
yeah.
So that is the palette. And now
We hope you like that. So now we're going to show you some lipsticks
First.
and gloss.
we're going to show you the gloss, which is the coolest. Let's open it. Na 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 na. Okay, I forgot that. Sorry. Let's stop.
So this is
Here it
Shane Dawson's gloss,
And we are going to go ahead and try it out.
which is
On
cool.
blue.
Shane Glossin.
Saying Glossin is saying it instead.
Shane Glossin.
Mama, who should we try it out on you?
You can try it. You go ahead and try it.
I will try it. I'm going to be careful because we don't have a mirror.
Well, here you can.
Oh, yeah, this mirror. Okay.
This literally looks like sugar glaze on a donut.
Uh-huh.
It's really pretty.
And it's so clear, so you don't even notice. And if you wear it at school, hide it.
You're right. So that's really nice, and you can put it over. Look at this container, though.
I mean, look at the top. It's so cool. Okay, do you want to try out the lipstick? I want to just wash
Sure.
this off. You can try. Which lipstick do you want to try out? The dark or the light? Which one? Which shade?
It doesn't matter.
You can try out.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, no, this one.
Okay.
You can have your light.
So I have the lighter pink. She's got the other one. So hers is called Rylan. And mine is called Oh My God. Oh. You can't see.
You can't see this one. It doesn't really look like a lipstick. It looks like a lipstick. I can't.
It looks like a gloss, but it's lipstick and it goes on really smoothly. I actually tried Rylan the other day. I wore it the other day. Loved it.
I'm here. I
Okay.
need it. You can just do it.
You can go first. I'll go second because since it's a lipstick, I need to see what I'm doing. Or I will get it everywhere.
I'm just gonna. I need it.
Uh-oh.
Sorry. Is this kind of really like okay? So that here it is. It kind of matches my skin. It does.
It does a little bit. It's pretty dark. It's hard to tell. in the
It's not
video,
that dark because it's kind of. If it's how should I say that? It's like metallic, then it kind of matches with your skin.
but yeah,
Okay, let's try yours.
it has the glitter.
Let's see.
I did not do a great job at all. So
Um,
that is super
Light.
pink. It does go on well. I just did not do a good job putting it on. But I like it. So those two are really pretty. You can even put the gloss.
Over it
Let me
to make
see
it
what
like
the
shiny.
gloss looks like over it.
Ooh, I'm gonna try it too.
It's pretty though. Both of them are really pretty.
It's so cool. It like matches with your skin. It's so cool. By the way.
So those are some of the lipsticks, 2 of the lipsticks. There are more, but we only have 2 so far, hoping to get more very soon. And the gloss, of course. So check those out. Go get yourself some. I love them. So that is our video for today. Stay tuned. The next one, Cambri's going to do her own video, and she's going to put on some, she's going to use some of the mini palette and the other palette and do a little makeup tutorial for you guys. So stay tuned for the
like
next one.
for Halloween, like parties, or if you or just for fun.
Yeah. So we hope you enjoyed. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe to Minnie and me, and we will see you next time.
By the way, comment down below which one is your favorite. Like I said in the beginning.
And the lipsticks too.
Yeah.
Let us know which one you like.
Like lipsticks, gloss, or palette.
Perfect. All right.
Or dots.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.